We are learning to make whole tens. We can do this by using our number bonds. Number bonds are numbers that go together to make 10. An example is 4 and 6 makes 10. 3 and 7 makes 10. We're going to join the pair or pairs of numbers that make 10, then complete the sum. The first one has been started for you. So we're going to have a look at our numbers. 3 plus 6 plus 7. Which numbers look as if they would make 10? You're right. The 7 and the 3 together make 10. We would then take the 10 plus 6 and that gives us 16. We made that sum easier by looking for the numbers to make whole tens using our number bonds. Have a go at this next one. Pause the video now and see if you can complete this next activity in your book. Be prepared to bring your book down to the workshop and show your teacher. Remember to have a look for the numbers that make 10. Until next time.